for it. Drew, do it. Yeah.
Yeah! I get CS35.
CS? Why is it considered a CS? Why is it chocolate scrumptious?
Now, as soon as you open that, Sport will take those nerfs and eat them. So this might not be a good time to open that gift.
What else did I get?
I don't know. Look in the bag.
What's this, Andrew?
What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Oh my gosh, Dad!
Hey.
Dad?
This is awesome.
Sporty, I can't see.
What is that, Drew? Hold it up for us.
No.
What do you have there?
Skateboard.
You got that too,
Why
huh?
don't you stand up on it? Let's see. Is it going to fit?
And guys.
Drew, is that going to work?
Yes.
Oh. Wonder what kids would say about receiving something like that.
Drew, go give Dad a tackle. Drew, tackle.
What do you say, Andrew? Say, what do you say?
Oh, and he
Thank you,
sticks the
You're
landing.
welcome. That's the way to do it.
Oh my gosh.
What's that?
It's a puzzle.
Excellent.
How do you know it's a puzzle?
Jacob, I hope you're not going to keep this up. But
Mouth guards.
Mouth guards, Andrew.
wow.
3 of them? Wow!
Sweet.
What is it?
Viola.
Benderoos.
Bendaroos.
Bendaroo.
Which gift was mine? I don't know.
Jacob gave you the Bendaroos. Uh-oh. Sounds like you don't know what to do.
Thank you.
Oh, still sounds like you don't know what to do.
Oh, and he tackled me down. Ah!
He's got me. Thank you, Jacob.
You're welcome.
Jacob, it's a line.
He's just reading it right now, honey.
The CS stands. The
So-
CS starts with 35 clip system darts.
Anything else? Is that it?
No.
Do you see a package of cards anywhere?
Oh my gosh, I got my own cards.
Some more cards.
Who gave you that? Did Michael give him anything?
So, what do we say, guys? Happy
Thank
birthday,
you.
Andrew!